There's one thing about nature. It never takes more than it gives. It thrives on balance, care, and respect. That's how we build our world, too. Not choosing sides between natural and chemical, but blending the best of both, returning skin to its elemental self. Air, the breath of beauty. Light, pure and ever-flowing. It whispers freshness into every touch of skin. Water, the soul of beauty. Fluid, serene, and life-giving. It nourishes, hydrates, and restores balance within. Earth, the root of beauty. Grounding, rich, and timeless. It holds the secrets of nature, gifting strength and care. Fire, the glow of beauty. Radiant, passionate, and powerful. It awakens energy, bringing warmth and brilliance to life. Together, they form the essence of elemental beauty, and that essence lives within you. More than natural, more than science, more than skin care. This is the elemental balance, where the raw forces of nature meet the precision of craft. Dermatologically tested, formulated in France, rooted in India, crafted with care. From the house of SK Beauty Resources, trusted by 20,000 plus salon partners and growing. Skinora, elemental beauty.